Sarura Kids.
Hello and welcome to Zimbabwe Facts for Kids. Today we're going to learn 5 different things about Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is in the southern part of Africa. Fact number 1. Zimbabwe is a landlocked country. That means there are other countries all around it. Zimbabwe has 5 neighbors. These are Botswana, Namibia, Zambia, Mozambique, and South Africa. Did you know that the borders of Zimbabwe, Zambia, Botswana, and Namibia all meet at one point in the middle of a river? So, if you were to take a boat cruise on the Zambezi River on the Kazungula border, you could find yourself in 4 countries at the same time. That's pretty amazing, huh? Just don't tell the hippos that though.
Hey!
Fact number 2. Zimbabwe is home to the big 5 animals. You can visit them in their homes, in the wild, in different places across Zimbabwe. The big 5 animals are the lion, the leopard, the rhino, the elephant, and the buffalo. Fact number 3. The name Zimbabwe means house of stone. Zimbabwe is home to the famous Great Zimbabwe Ruins. The Great Zimbabwe Ruins are one of the most notable houses of stone in Zimbabwe. Great Zimbabwe is made of granite stone which was found locally. The Great Zimbabwe Ruins lie just outside of Masvingo and are near Lake Mutirikwe. Great Zimbabwe was a medieval African city. It was part of a wealthy African trading empire that controlled much of the East African coast from the 11th right through to the 15th centuries. It is believed that anywhere from 5,000 to 30,000 people could have lived there at one time. That was a pretty big population for a time before cars, electricity, or any kind of modern technology. It is not entirely clear why people moved away. Maybe there were too many people living there. It would have become harder to find good land for their animals to graze. Or maybe people moved to be in a better position to take advantage of the gold trade. Either way, by 1500, Great Zimbabwe is believed to have been abandoned. Did you know that Great Zimbabwe is one of UNESCO's cultural heritage sites? This means that it's a very important place, both historically and for anthropology. So now you've heard a little bit about Great Zimbabwe, but did you know that there are so many other historical sites and ruins in Zimbabwe? We will cover these in a separate video. Fact number 4. The staple food of Zimbabwe is maize. Maize can be eaten in a variety of ways. You can eat it boiled, and it tastes delicious, even without butter. Or you can roast it over an open fire. Again, delicious! But the most common way you will find maize in Zimbabwe is in flour form. Just about anywhere you go in Zimbabwe, you can find milli meal, which is maize meal, or hufu. Zimbabweans love to eat milli meal porridge or bota first thing in the morning. You can add butter or peanut butter, or, if you're feeling fancy, some sun jam to your porridge. Stirring sadza is known as kumona sadza. Maybe you can ask a Zimbabwean friend to show you how to do this. Or better yet, check out our video in the link below. The other way you can enjoy milli meal flour is when it is made into sadza. Sadza is thicker than porridge, and it is stirred until it is thick. You will find that people eat sadza with a variety of things. You can have it with lacto or fermented milk. Or why not try it with any of a wide variety of greens or muriwo. Sadza is also great with meat or nyama. You can never get bored of sadza. Did you know that there are 35 different types of sadza? That's right, 35. Just check out the link in our description below to learn more about them. We know, we were amazed too. Fact number 5. There are some beautiful places to visit in Zimbabwe. ZimbabweTourism.net recommends these 7 must-see places in Zimbabwe. They are Kariba, Hwange National Park, Chinoi Caves, Matobo Hills, Great Zimbabwe, Mana Pools National Park, Victoria Falls. So, those are just 5 fun facts about Zimbabwe. There are tons more fun facts about Zimbabwe, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and we will make more videos just for you. We hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about Zimbabwe with us today. Come back again to learn more about Zimbabwe and the Shona language right here with Sarura Kids. Have a good day. Muva nezuva rakanaka.